Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Randy Chambliss, Executive Director with NOLA Homes Project, your real estate redeveloper and also your mindset redeveloper. And so I wanted to cut this quick video and talk about how you can use your tax refund, guys, to purchase a home for your family opposed to paying down some debt or even buying a vehicle, right? And so one thing I want you guys to really understand is that tax refund is just that. Words mean things, right? So let's break down that word refund. The prefix to that is re, which means again, and the suffix is fund, which means money, right? So it's your money again. So you basically, if you're working for somebody else, you paid the IRS, the government, too much money over the 12 months that you've been working. And so now the IRS is giving you your money back without any interest payment, right? So truly, you don't want to do that, but at the same time, that's a whole nother topic and a whole nother video discussion, right? But having said that, let's say you have a $6,000 check coming in, $8,000 check coming back to you as a refund, right? Now, once again, that's your money, but what if you can use that money to buy your home, okay? Let me break that down for you. Just so you know that I'm a licensed mortgage loan consultant. My NMLS number is 145175. I can certainly help you with these loan products. I'm an active investor. We buy and sell properties all the time, so I know what I'm talking about. Trust me. There's three costs, guys. These are all estimates, right? But these are three costs that you can expect to bring to the closing table. So let's use an example of a $135,000 home loan, a good starter home, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, maybe 2-bath, right? And so the first thing that you're going to bring to the table, that first cost, is going to be your down payment. We have a loan product that will allow you only to put 3.5% down for your down payment. 3.5% down on your down payment, right? So which means 3.5% of $135,000 is about $4,700. Let's keep that in mind, $4,700. Your second cost that you have to bring to the table is called your closing cost. This is your title settlement fees. The title settlement fee is going to be fees such as running a title abstract, recording the mortgage, title insurance, having your lawyer research the title, etc. So let's call that at $2,000, okay? So now you have $47,000, now you have this title settlement fee of $2,000, and that's $67,000. So let's say you have to have, the third cost, which you do have to have, is your insurance, your homeowners and or your flood insurance if you're in the flood zone, right? So let's say that your insurances come up to $1,800. So when you add all those three costs up, that's $8,500 that you have to bring to the closing. No, you don't need $20,000 to purchase a home. No, you don't need $15,000 to purchase a home. Of course, these are estimates, and those costs rises as the purchase price rise. So as you get into a $200,000 loan, the concept, the numbers are, the concept and the breakdown of the three costs is the same, but the numbers increase. So to get back on topic, I don't want to drift too far off. To get back on the mindset of a $135,000 home, you're only going to bring $8,500 to the table. Well, if you negotiate with the seller correctly, and if the seller accepts your negotiation, you can ask the seller to pay for both your closing costs from the title company and all of your insurances. You can't allow them to pay for your down payment, but you can request and ask them to pay for your insurance and your title settlement fee. Which means that if we take those two costs out of the three, you only have the 3.5% down payment that you have to bring to the table. You only bring it to the table $4,700, guys. Can you see how you can own a home now? This is 2018, guys. Take advantage of your tax refund, buy your family home, create that asset, guys. Stop paying rent to your landlord because you're paying your landlord mortgage already, right? So my team is here to help you guys to get qualified. We can go down all the way to a 500 credit score, believe it or not. Not sure how long this product is gonna last. If you are self-employed, right? A lot of my self-employed people like to write off a lot of your expenses and have very minimum income to show. We can help you with that because we have products that doesn't state your income, right? You don't have to prove your income, right? So we have products that can help you in that area as well. So give my team a call if you'd like to learn more information or start the process of home ownership. We have a vetted team of real estate agents, brokers, etc. Right? Home inspectors, everything you need, we have at NOLA Homes Project. My direct number, call or text me at 504-270-1314 or simply go to NOLAHomesProject.com. I see you guys over the top. God bless. Take care.